In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Confluence templates to enhance your productivity. Whether you're a seasoned Confluence user or a newcomer to the platform, these easy-to-follow steps will help you navigate and make the most out of Confluence templates. So, settle in, and let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to your Confluence homepage. This is your launchpad, where all your options are just a click away. Once there, focus your attention on the Create button, usually located in the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking on this will open a new set of options for you. Now, upon clicking Create, you'll see an option labeled Page. Go ahead and click on Page. This step initiates the process of creating new content in Confluence. However, to ensure that you're not reinventing the wheel, we'll explore using templates. With the page interface open, look for a section called All Templates. Clicking on this will bring up a variety of pre-designed options available for you. This is incredibly useful, as it saves time and ensures consistency across your documentation. In this section, you'll find two paths: utilizing an existing Confluence template or importing one. For our demonstration, we'll focus on using a Confluence template. This pre-existing option provides a great structure that can help you organize your content efficiently. So, let's proceed by clicking on Confluence Template. This action displays a list of templates, each designed for different types of content or projects. Look through the options carefully and choose a template that aligns with your needs and goals. Each template serves a unique purpose, whether it's project planning, meeting notes, or tracking task progress. After settling on the template that suits your task, go ahead and click on it. This will open the template in an editable format, ready for you to customize. While these templates are ready to use as is, Confluence provides the flexibility for you to tweak and adjust them to better fit your specific requirements. Now that you've chosen and opened a template, feel free to make it your own. Add your unique project information, adjust any of the preset sections, and personalize it to match your team's workflow. The templates are merely a starting point. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments, don't forget to save your work. Confluence will continually auto-save your progress, providing peace of mind that your content is secure. And there you have it. You've learned how to utilize Confluence templates effectively, boosting your team's productivity and maintaining a standard across your projects. Thanks for watching, and happy confluencing.